Hi guys, Carl here and welcome to Wallace Tech. We're showing you some of the newest devices from DIZO, the newest brand under the Realme Tech Life ecosystem that launched last year and is now entering the Philippines this month. The brand's objective, of course, is to offer more devices that are very functional yet affordable enough to be within your reach. As we unbox the device, we have here 3 devices which we'll showcase one by one. First, of course, is the DIZO GoPods D, offering a 28-hour battery life, transparency mode, and dual microphone noise cancellation. The case is shaped like a pebble for better grip, plus the touch panels are glossy and shiny, making it easy to see. This one costs 1,999 pesos. Next is the GoPods D, which is more affordable than the first TWS earphones we've showcased earlier. It looks very similar, but the difference lies in the touch panel. It features a ribbed touch plate with a concentric ring design to it. It also has smart touch controls, low latency mode, and a 10nm bass boost driver at just 999 pesos. Lastly, we have one of their big offerings, the DIZO Watch 2 with a 1.64-inch display as well as heart rate and blood oxygen sensors. You're seeing the square watch face at the front with a lone button at the side. The sensors are at the back with the metal pins for charging, and the classic rubber straps are easy to remove and replace. The watch can be paired on both iOS and Android devices with the dedicated DIZO mobile app, and from there you can choose from over 100 watch faces to personalize your wearable, as well as your notifications, alarms, and reminders. The Watch 2 also features 15 sports modes, a customizable menu presentation in the watch, and up to 10 days of battery life. These devices will be available starting February 11 at the official DIZO flagship store in Lazada, so do check them out. We're taking this for a full review in the coming days, so stay tuned to wallacetech.com for more of the stories you need to know.